nagpalit?
Ako!
Wow, unsay pangalan nana?
Princess!
Uy.
Queen of the Pink.
Queen
If
of the
you-
Pink.
If you be her name one
Uy.
said pink.
Saan?
Ha!
Happy ka sa imong toy?
Ah!
Super?
Look! Wait. There.
Wow, unsa
Look!
yung name?
Look.
Camera.
Look.
Wow. Okay. Ha?
Isa. Ano ni? Kani?
Hmm?
Wala na. Uy. Ay, pagdagang kay Lusog.
Nice imong dress.
Dula na.
Ma!
Hmm.
Gold.
Kapriesta! Don't let them know. Well, no, they know. Let go, let it go. You are my sunshine. How much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. How to be a singer without a million dreams. Let's go. I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest color fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. I am Dwayne Capistrano. See you my next video. Woo!